Hey guys, welcome back. We got another episode of Wristwatch Wednesday. Today we have a unique one. Bought a lot a few weeks ago, and this was in it. It's a Croton automatic. Croton. It's Italian. However you say that, Italian city, that is what it is. And at first I thought maybe this was, it's got a screw down crown. Let's just go over this real quick. It's got a screw down crown, so you can unscrew it, pull the handle, select the date, time, set the time. Again, fully automatic watch. It's kind of my weak spot, right? I like these automatic watches. Of course I got interested and started looking into it. Let's get a couple of specs on this. Let's get the case size. All right, case size is about a 43 1/4. Let's get a thickness on this one. This is pretty thick. It's about 14 1/2. And then let's get a lug to lug. You're about 50. So nice, decent sized watch. It is nice and heavy. It's actually a very, very nice watch. I have to be honest. I thought maybe first it was just like your typical fashion watch. If you look at the details on the hands, it's got a little peace sign on the hour hand, just white accents on the hands, and a silver second hand along with a date. So this one, and when it came in, it still has the wrapper on it, so it looks like it's really never been worn when I got it in that lot. But they don't go for a lot of money on the used market. There's not a lot of these newer ones out there right now, I should say. There's a lot of vintage ones. But the newer ones, I think I found one on Etsy, and in my opinion, they had it underpriced. If you go to the website for these watches, these are going for $600-700. It's pretty crazy on the retail. About the company, they were in Italy originally, had Swiss movements, ended up getting acquired by some U.S. company. So I think they're somewhere out east right now, probably New York, New Jersey. Still going in business. So yeah, check it out when you get a sec. Well, that's about all we have for today, guys. Just a quick one to show off a new watch that I found. I'm sure it's probably familiar to you if you're watching this video. So if you have any comments or other things you want to get across, leave them below. If this is your favorite watch, let me know. Or if you hate this watch for some reason, let me know. Only found a lot of them in vintage, not a lot of new ones on the used market out there anyway. But that's all we have for today. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you next time.